This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if the biggest damage to your Audi isn't coming from how you drive, but from what you put inside it? What if every time you top up a fluid without checking, you are slowly reducing performance, increasing fuel consumption, and wearing down your engine? And what if this is happening right now, without any warning light? Because today, we're uncovering one of the most underestimated mistakes Audi drivers make, using the wrong fluids. Most people believe fluids are all the same. Oil is oil, coolant is just colored liquid, brake fluid doesn't really matter as long as it's there. But in an Audi, that thinking is a mistake. Audi engines are built with precision, tight tolerances, advanced materials, high-performance systems working together, and every part of that system depends on one thing: the correct fluid specification. Let's start with the most critical one: engine oil. This is not just something that keeps things moving. It controls temperature, it reduces friction between moving parts, it protects internal components from wear, and most importantly, it directly affects fuel efficiency. Now here's where the problem begins. Most drivers choose oil based on viscosity only, 5W30, 5W40, and they think that's enough. But in reality, that's only half the story. Audi requires specific standards like VW504 Durer and VW507 Zero. These specifications define how the oil behaves under extreme conditions: heat, pressure, load. If you use oil without these approvals, the engine has to compensate. More friction builds up, more heat is generated, more effort is required to maintain performance. And what does that lead to? Higher fuel consumption. But here's the dangerous part. You won't notice it immediately. There's no warning, no sudden failure, just a gradual loss of efficiency every time you drive. Before we go deeper, if you want to save fuel, protect your Audi, make sure to subscribe. Now let's move to another fluid that many drivers underestimate: coolant. This is not just something that keeps your engine cool. It regulates temperature precisely. It prevents overheating. It protects internal components from corrosion. Audi systems are designed for specific coolant types like G12 or G13. Using the wrong type or mixing different coolants can reduce efficiency and damage the system over time. And here's the reality: most drivers don't know what coolant is inside their car. They just add whatever find, thinking it doesn't matter. But it does, because every fluid inside your Audi is part of a system, and if one part is wrong, the whole system becomes less efficient. And in the next part, we'll show you exactly which fluids your Audi needs and how to avoid the most expensive mistakes before they happen.
Now let's make this practical, because using the right fluids in your Audi is not complicated, but doing it wrong can become very expensive over time. Step 1. Engine oil specification. This is the most important fluid in your car. And yet, most drivers focus only on the number, 5W30, 5W40. But that's not enough. The real key is the VW approval. Audi engines are designed to work with specific oil standards. These define how the oil behaves under heat, pressure, and long driving conditions. If you use oil without the correct approval, protection is reduced, friction increases, and over time, fuel consumption rises. Step 2. Coolant type. Audi uses specific coolant technologies like G12 and G13. These are not just different colors. They are chemically designed for your engine. Mixing different coolant types can reduce cooling efficiency, and in some cases, create internal deposits. So here's the rule: never mix coolant unless it's fully compatible. Step 3. Transmission fluid. If your Audi has DSG or S-tronic, this fluid is critical. It controls gear changes, lubricates internal components, and manages heat inside the transmission. Over time, transmission fluid degrades, it becomes less effective. And when that happens, gear shifts become less smooth, efficiency drops, fuel consumption increases. Step 4. Brake fluid. Most drivers ignore it completely. But brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. And when that happens, braking performance decreases. System stress increases. It may not directly affect fuel consumption, but it affects how efficiently your car responds. Step 5. AdBlue for diesel Audi. This fluid is essential for emission systems. If it runs low or is poor quality, the car limits performance. Efficiency drops. Now here's the biggest mistake most drivers make. They wait for warning signs. They wait for dashboard alerts. They wait for something to go wrong. but by the time a warning appears, the system has already been under stress. The smarter approach is simple. Prevent problems before they start. Check your fluids regularly. Use only approved specifications and follow proper intervals because fluids don't just support your car, they define how it performs. And in the next part, we're going to reveal hidden mistakes that are silently damaging your Audi, even if you think everything is fine.
Now let's talk about the hidden mistakes, the ones that most Audi drivers never notice. Because even if you are using the correct fluids, you can still damage your car over time without realizing it. Mistake 1. Mixing fluids. This is one of the most common and most dangerous habits. Topping up coolant with a different type, adding engine oil without checking compatibility, using whatever is available just to reach the level. Even small differences in chemical composition can reduce effectiveness, can create internal deposits, can damage seals and components over time. And the worst part? You won't notice it immediately. The damage builds slowly, silently. Mistake 2. Ignoring change intervals. Fluids are not permanent. They degrade. They lose their protective properties. They become less effective under stress. Engine oil breaks down. Coolant loses its anti-corrosion protection. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Transmission fluid loses lubrication quality. And when that happens, your Audi compensates. More friction, more heat, more effort required to maintain performance. And that leads to one thing: higher fuel consumption and long-term wear. Mistake 3. Using cheap or generic products. Trying to save money on fluids is one of the most expensive decisions you can make. Low-quality fluids may not meet Audi specifications. They break down faster. They provide less protection. And they increase internal stress on the engine and components. Mistake 4. Ignoring early warning signs. Your car always gives signals, subtle ones. Small changes, a slight drop in performance, a different engine sound, a faint smell, less smooth gear shifts. These are not random. They are early warnings. Ignoring them means allowing small issues to grow into expensive problems. Now here's the key insight. Your Audi is not just a machine. It's a connected system. Every component depends on another. And fluids are the lifeblood of that system. When everything is correct, the engine runs smoothly. The transmission shifts perfectly. The temperature stays stable. Fuel consumption stays optimized. But when something is off, the system adapts. And adaptation always means inefficiency. Now combine everything from this episode. Correct oil specification, VW approved. Proper coolant type, G12, G13. Clean transmission fluid. Fresh brake fluid. Correct AdBlue usage, no mixing fluids. Regular maintenance intervals. Attention to early signs. And suddenly, your Audi becomes more efficient, consumes less fuel, performs better, and lasts longer. And the most important part, you didn't modify the engine. You didn't spend thousands. You just removed the mistakes. Over time, this changes everything. Your car works less, consumes less, and stays reliable. If you found this useful, subscribe for more Audi hidden features. Watch the next episode to discover another hidden mistake that is silently increasing your fuel consumption.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.